Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and install the best Shopify apps to enhance your store's functionality. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify dashboard and click on the Apps section from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Shopify App Store, where you'll find a wide range of apps categorized based on their purpose, such as marketing, sales, inventory management, and customer support. To find the best apps, you can use the search bar to look for specific apps. Browse through categories to explore different options. Check out the recommended and trending apps based on user ratings. Before installing an app, make sure to read the reviews and ratings to see what other users say. Check the pricing details to ensure it fits your budget. Look at the features to see if it meets your needs. Once you find the right app, click on it and then hit Add App. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard, where you need to click Install App to complete the process. After installation, configure the app settings as needed to integrate it with your store. That's it. You've successfully installed a Shopify app to enhance your store's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.